Hello, in this video I want to show you how to disable system lock on Allview Smart TV. And to do this, first we'll need to open our menu with the button on our remote. It's located right here. Then move to the right to lock settings. Then there's a system lock. You can click on that and then enter your current password. Now, in case you don't remember your password or it's set and you didn't even do it, then I recommend to check a few different options like 1234, 000, 111, 1212, and etc. Just try it multiple times, maybe you will get it. So for me it should be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and now it's activated, and that's how you get your system lock off. In case this still didn't work, I recommend to go to the right more to set up settings, and then you should find the reset button. Click on it and you should be able to reset your TV into default settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.